Coaching is taking a player where they can't take themselves. How would you like somebody that's a top 5 earner in pretty much every company, including the one they're mainly promoting right now, and has been a top earner since he was 15? He was a top 200 earner in a company that had over 100,000 affiliates. What if this person tirelessly helped you build your business, any business, whatever you want to build, and met with you for 2 hours a day live and helped you build your business? Would you succeed then? Would you believe you could succeed then? Because the first step in our program is to schedule a coaching call with our team leader. Here's a video exactly how to do it. This is JJ Saleh, aka John Saleh, aka Yo, Funny Neighborhood Saleh Man. And today I'm going to do a video about Affiliate Mentor core review. Again, the first step is schedule a coaching call with our team leader. And you're going to get, once you start with Affiliate Mentor at the core level, you're going to get this site that will tell you exactly how to rank on YouTube. And you could do videos just like this. You don't have to put yourself on camera. This tells you how to set up your Affiliate Mentor system, get branded funnel tools, and you can actually pay just $50 to get your funnel set up. Have us build your brand, make your first YouTube video. These are exactly what keywords to do each video. Exactly what to name your videos. Add video to Facebook. Do to build backlinks. Do Facebook marketing. Email video to your list. Add video into autoresponder. Your daily profit steps. What to do when you get an Affiliate Mentor sale. Again, list of keywords to do now. List of top Facebook marketers to engage with. 150 email swipes. These usually cost a bundle. You're going to get 150 email swipes with this for free. Bridge video training. How to 10x your income. Again, the first step is to schedule a coaching call with our team leader. Now, these calls are designed to be DFY sponsor style to help your team get their AM business set up, even if you're not available as a sponsor. So you heard me right. You can actually hook up, get in touch with your person that you brought in, or we got for you, and tell them how to get in touch with the sponsor, the lead team leader, and they'll get on a live call. Book a call now, right here. You actually set up a time and a date. I'll go to Monday, for example. And these are the available time slots. How to make $1,000 a day. AM comp plan training. AM team chat room. Now, VIP bonus. Members who own core plus VIP get the Simple Freedom Warriors for free. The all-in bonuses is you get in with a free traffic rotator spot. And you get to build your own rotator. We will help you. These are the live coaching schedule. 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturdays off is a team meeting for Simple Freedom Warriors. And Sunday is a team meeting at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And anytime you're having problems, you can just enter the training room. These are the facts. This is exactly what you need to build any business online. Any business. Now, if you join Core, you get $20 a month residual income. $20 a month for every person that joins you. And they're going to stay in because look what they're getting. They get this Team Freedom Warriors site, and it is exactly how to build a clone army of people that are taught in the system and can meet with the team leader. If the first step again is right here. Book a call now. And if they have a question, they can get in touch and call Justin. I shit you not. The first weekend he set up my funnel, And he spent so much time with me, literally, and doing my funnel. He spent probably at least a full day from Thursday to Sunday, spending time with me, setting it up. And guess what? The first video, while he was watching, 3 minutes after I posted it, I was ranked 4th on YouTube and a 3rd with one keyword and 3rd with another. And I'm going to show you, I just posted this a little while ago. I checked it 3 minutes after I posted it. It was the same, number 1. I'm going to show you this. This is my latest video. Search. Now, this is a sponsored, so it doesn't count. Number 1 for this keyword, affiliate mentor, wholesale traffic review. Right here. Make on money online with JJ. That's me. There's JT. Our team is all over. There's another one. Postcard lifestyle. Another one. Another one. Another one. Our team is all over YouTube. And I could check a million different ones. Affiliate mentor review. Watch. Boom. Just another example. Your team is going to be taught and you don't have to do anything. Here's one. JT. There's me. My whole series, by the way. That's all my videos ranked. Charles Dukes is another one for our team. Postcards Lifestyle. You've seen him several times. I can't give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, you feed him for a lifetime. You're going to be the sought after person because all your people are going to be trained exactly how to rank on YouTube and even Google. And they don't have to do
different courses on making.
I didn't mean to start that. They're going to be trained exactly how to. You're going to have a clone army of people that are fully trained. And all you got to do is plug into the $50 a month. And what are you getting for $50 a month? First of all, you get $20 a month residual income. You also get 10 cents a click, even if somebody doesn't buy from you, when they click on into read your emails and click on the link. You get 10 cents a click. So you're going to make money even if somebody doesn't buy from you. You're also going to get, oh my God, you get deals on premium top tier traffic. And if you don't have traffic, if you can't get the eyeballs to your offer, if you can get the butts in the seat, you are going to struggle with no matter what you are promoting. But that's the thing. Google and YouTube are evergreen traffic. You put a video up, it's there forever. Unlike Facebook, where you put a video or a post and it's pretty much buried after a few hours or a day. It maybe comes up a few days later or whatever. It's buried. You constantly got to keep refreshing it. You don't have to do that with YouTube. It's evergreen content. I could search for something and it'll show up years ago. Some of these videos are years old. So, why wouldn't you want to be the sought after person that everybody wants to learn under? Why wouldn't you want to be the badass affiliate the best affiliate you can possibly be? People are going to love your training. Every single one of my videos ranks, usually 1st to 3rd, right off minutes later. Look at this. I want to show you something. Here's an affiliate mentor. Let me look. Affiliate mentor, wholesale traffic review. And if I could, I would go to incognito mode, so you see it legitimate. But it will be a blank video, like you won't be able to see it. Okay, it was a minute ago. It was first, but I guess it's second now. That's weird. Okay, but here it is. 3 hours ago with 3 views. And is ranking 1st or 2nd. That is insane. But every single video I put up is just like that. And I ranked the first one and I wasn't even using most of his strategies. I was just using the keywords, cut and paste keywords. And I was using named it what he told me to name, and he has the videos on how to do it. He's basically sitting over your shoulder telling you exactly what to do, step by step, copy and paste, simple. So all you got to do is basically do it like this. Copy. And then do this. Sorry. Can you do that? Copy and paste. Simple, simple, simple. And you will be the sought after person, because this team site right here that you get for free and your people get for free is everything you need to do daily to make money with whatever your program is. Again, give a man a fish, you feed him for the day. Teach a man a fish, you feed him for a lifetime. JT is going to teach you how to make money online with any program, and you will be fed for life with all the content. And so are your people. You're going to have basically a clone army of people that's completely trained. Affiliate Mentor Core Review. It is an awesome program. It's, I think, $49.50, and you get $20 a month residual for everybody that joins with you. But why wouldn't you want to join the best team? Why wouldn't you want to get the best training for you and your people? And a person that you can be reached 24 hours a day, basically. Guess what? I can't meet at 10 a.m. I can't meet. But guess what? Anytime I need him, he was meeting me for the first week every single day after work. Anytime I need him, I can get him on the phone. That's what type of a caring person he is. And he's not going to bullshit. He's going to be real with you. He's going to teach you. You're getting $1 million training for free with Justin. And you can get to Justin through me. And if you join at the full level, the yearly, the go with the go all in, I will help you get leads, traffic, and sales. Leads, traffic, and sales, because if you're the first person, you're going to get 50% of my leads, traffic, and sales every single time. So I take what I do is you go all in with me. I'm going to put you in the rotator, and I'm going to take all that $220 I get, and I'll put it into traffic until I start making $5,000 a month with this system. And that shit, I might keep that on then, because obviously it's working. So anyways, this is my Affiliate Mentor Core Review, and you want to be on our team. You want to get our bonuses and give them to your people and plug your people into the best training online. That's Team Freedom Warriors, and this is how to make money with any system. And what do you need to make money? No matter what lotions, potions, whatever you're selling, you need traffic. This is tier 1 traffic. These people are traffic gurus. And this is JJ Saleh, aka John Saleh, aka your friendly neighbor Salaman. Don't delay, get with JJ today. This is my Team Freedom Core Review, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.